Hi, so for today I would like to answer 3 questions from Dr. Irzam. So as you can see at the side, there's a file named Discovering Polymorphism, and under it there is a five Java file, and the first question is how polymorphism occur in my code. So here is my superclass called student. It has method called activity, which print a general student activity. Below I have subclass under graduates. It uses add override annotation to replace the activity method with its own implementation. This subclass is postgraduate student. Also override the same method and give its own behavior. And this third class is international student, overrides the same method too. And then for the last one is polymorphism. Here I create an array that uses the superclass student as the reference type. So I store differently subclass object inside the same array because all of them inherit from student. When I loop through the array and call s.activity, Java automatically pick the correct method based on the actual object type. This behavior is called polymorphism. Next, we go to question B, which is why the same method called give different behavior. Alright, so as you can see under graduate Java, this version print lecture activity, and for postgraduate, this version print research activity, and for international student, this version will print cultural adaptation activity. Okay, so we go back to polymorphism demo. Okay, as you can see, there's s.activity here. And notice that I only call the same method name, which is s.activity, but the output is different for each element in array. Okay, as you can see here. Next, for example, calling activity on an undergraduate print lecture activity. And calling it on postgraduate prints research activity. So this happened because Java used dynamic method dispatch, meaning it looked at the actual object at runtime even if the reference type is student. So the last one is question C, which is limitations of the approach. So as you can see at the student class, only method define the superclass can be called. If a subclass has a special method that does not exist in student, we cannot call it through a student reference. As you can see at postgraduate or undergraduate, it will be just the same. If a subclass has extra methods, we will need to use instance of today's stack object type, which makes code less clean. And as you can see at here, because all calls go through the superclass reference, you lost the ability to easily know which exact subclass you are dealing with. So for the final reflection from me, polymorphism gives flexibility, but you must design your inheritance structure carefully to avoid confusion or excessive use of instance of. That's all from me. Thank you.